Dahil ilang araw na lang Noche Buena and Medianoche na, sharing with you this Sipo egg for our holiday recipes under 300 pesos. First, niluto ko muna yung quail eggs, babalatan, then set aside. Next, ipa-pan fry lang natin yung chopped sweet ham natin for 5 minutes or if medyo may brown parts na siya, then set aside. Mag-a-add tayo dito ng butter or pwede rin yung margarine if yun lang yung available. Then, saute garlic and onion until fragrant. Add mixed veggies, then saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, nag-add tayo dito ng canned cream of mushroom and water. Yung water pala, nilagay ko siya dun sa lata para masimot yung cream of mushroom. Naglagay din tayo dito ng evaporated milk para mas creamier. Haluin lang natin ito to combine and then let it simmer for a few minutes. Then, pwede na natin ilagay yung sweet ham and quail eggs natin. Season lang natin ito with salt and pepper to taste. Hahaluin lang ulit natin ito to combine and then let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Kaya if nag-iisip ka pa ng panghanda this holiday, perfect din tong recipe na to, kaya try nyo na!